we have ourselves a Traxxas Jato, the drag edition. Nitro World Order.
Nitro World Order.
Tuesday, baby! This is the first startup attempt of the brand new OS 21 TM. Today is a cold day, so these starter batteries, they're feeling it, man. So Dan, this was a direct fit, the OS 21 TM in the Jato?
Yeah, direct
fit, right? No problems.
Yeah, let me just swap to another battery. I don't know. I think this was dead.
Now this is the one you're building to destroy all the ARMA claims out there, right? Yes. When people tell us my ARMA's faster, we're gonna tell them, well, have you seen this Traxxas Jato with the 21 TM and the crazy Robinson racing gearing? That's what we're gonna say, man. No more challenges from them. Well, they could challenge us, but they're gonna lose. All right, let's see what we got. Brand new 21 TM. First fire. It's a cold day.
I don't know if it's prime.
I think I heard it. Let me do a radio control over here. I don't think it's prime. Let's take the body off and examine it for fuel. Let me see, I might have a starter. I got a good one with a LiPo if you need, okay?
Yeah, if anything, yeah. This is a fresh battery. Let's see if we got fuel. I don't know if we got fuel.
I could tell there is no fuel in the fuel line yet. We need a little bit of a better prime job. You know what it is? You're using your glove, so we're not getting a good vacuum. So I'm gonna plug this over here with my hand. So far, I still don't see any fuel. No, we would have already seen it.
Yeah,
you know what? Use this. Yeah, Dan is gonna do the classic RC blow and go. Sickening. Sometimes that's what you gotta do. Let's
here, but
let me open up the carb. When you do that. Yeah, I see it. I see the fuel line is full. The fuel line is full. I was gonna fire up. Why don't you use my starter? I'm running a 2S LiPo in this bad boy. This is the only thing we do with LiPos. We use them to fire up nitros. That even rhymes. We've removed the glow plug wire to give the battery a little more juice. We're using our own glow driver at this point. Let's spin her over. OS 21 Jato. Adjust the low speed needle, going to richen it. Oh, there we go. A little more, a little more. Give it a little throttle blip. Yeah, a little more, just so the tune takes, you know. Sounds all right. Yeah, the brakes are a little tight. All right. I shut it down. So you guys just saw me put my hand over the air filter that cut off the air supply, and the motor shut off. On a new motor, normally people, well, I don't want to say a new motor, normally people just plug up the exhaust stinger here. What that really does is floods the engine, and it's a little harder to start, right? Because the motor is still burning fuel. What you really want to do is plug up the air filter as much as you can. That way it doesn't get any more air. So the tune was not bad, but it was a little on the high idle side. So we're using Bones Brew, right, Dan? 30%? Yeah. Right, so I mean, that could be a variable with you know, type of fuel that are used for braking. So you can't really rely on your standard factory settings for braking. Get your tuning screwdriver ready, guys. You got to be messing with the idle screw, the high speed needle, the low speed needle. And I can tell this carb actually has a mid-speed tuning screw, which they really call, like, I guess, 3 possible tuning screws. The idle screw isn't considered one of the tuning screws, well, other than idle, of course. But either way, man, this is going to be a sickening Jato. So fired up okay. The prime job is the most important activity. You can't prime, you can't start. So Dan, what do we have to do? The brakes are a little bit squirrely on this, right?
Yeah, I just finished putting it together about 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
So I put it in, I didn't test, but I think the brakes just a little on the tight side.
It's a little on the tight side, yeah, it doesn't spin.
Yeah, but
I can see you've done the Jato brake flip mod, and also this tensioner adjustment. You got rid of that spring. Yeah. On this side, yeah. Highly recommended getting rid of that spring. What I'm talking about, guys, is right here. Normally the Jato linkage has a spring here, and it creates, well, not the best advantage there in terms of a mechanical lever advantage for your brake system. So we have the Jato brake flip mod, where you also relocate the brake cam from this side of the gearbox to this side, closest to the exhaust port of the motor. Either way, OS 21 TM fired up nicely. This video really isn't a break-in video. This is just a first start. Today is very, very cold, and we're freezing. Yeah, we're freezing. I have a dumbass looking hat on right now. After a couple basic minutes of it running, you can hear the idle has actually set itself. It's now running normal. This is just to show you guys, when you're tuning, don't expect the needle adjustments you're making to instantly take effect. It takes a little bit of time. Now our tune is nice. It's rich. I can see smoke all around. The motor's running good. Perfect. Ideal idle. Minor adjustments and you're ready to take out electrics. Okay, this is gonna be a really quick Jato. These things, factory speed will hit 65. With a proper OS 21 TM, they can pull taller gearing. With a great idea here from Dan, he put on a giant fit scale battery in the front for us, a little bit of a weight advantage. Dan, you made this the perfect BMW. 50-50 weight distribution, bro.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sickening.
Well, we're gonna wait till the weather.
You made the BMW of Jatos over here, man. Sickening. Sickening. Yeah, so Dan, what are we gonna do?
Yeah, we're gonna wait until it gets a little warmer.
And then we're gonna challenge people, right? We're gonna do a little challenge. Bring your Armas, bring your Lipos, bring many of them.
Bring your mama and your grandma, and we're all gonna race.
Yeah, but please don't forget the Popeyes at home, because I get hungry when we're burning Nitro, okay, guys? Thanks for checking out this video, everybody. More on this sickening OS 21 install in the future. If you smell what the Nitro gang is cooking.
She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to